Hi, I'm Tony from TCA. Today I'm going to give you a simple instruction on how to install our new and exciting ScreenConnect. Our software is being upgraded. With it comes an amazing new tool that will allow us to support and give you far more robust updates, patches and fixes and so on. So for Mac users, this is the process. So what I'd like you to do is to open the email that we've sent you, click on that link, and that will give you a download, which you can then open in your downloads folder. Now, if you don't have a downloads folder here, you go to Finder and Downloads. You'll find it there, exactly the same thing. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to double click on that. Follow the bouncing balls. Continue, continue again, agree, continue, install. Now this is the Mac password, the password that you use for logging into your Mac or installing any other software. So I'll put mine in there. And it will complete the installation. We can close that from behind. It shouldn't take too much longer. And we do actually have to allow some permissions. We'll go through that in a moment as well. So at the top you'll see background items added, software from ConnectWise. That's the name of the software company that we use for our new remote and support. And that installation has completed and we hit close. And we can move it to the bin. We're done with it. We don't need it anymore. We can close that. What we should now find is a new tool called ConnectWise. What you will eventually see is this screen telling you that it requests 2 security accesses. Now, every Mac has a password, usually to log into the Mac, and you'll need to know what that password is. So it will take a minute or two for this to appear. Once it does, I want you to click on Request Access, open System Settings, and ConnectWise Control. I want you to unlock that. Now it's saying that to do this it wants your password. So put your password in again and hit Modify Settings. It's now saying that it needs to restart the application to make those settings stick. So we go Quit and Reopen. And ConnectWise wants to be able to access your system. Hit Allow. Screen recording has been granted. Now over to Accessibility, Request Access. Where it says ConnectWise Control, turn that on. And that's it. And then once you close that, it should allow. And that's all you need to do. So once that's complete, you'll then see a new icon in the top, a white icon with the logo TCA, the monitoring service. Once you see that, you'll know that it has worked perfectly and all is well. Great. Thank you so much for your time.